Changing the phone number on your American Express account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Profile section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Update personal information. In the Account Services section, find the option to update your personal information. Click on it to proceed to the phone number update page. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Input your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for the Save or Update button and click it to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been updated. By following these steps, you can easily change the phone number associated with your American Express account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance.